Hello students, in today's class we shall discuss about making of two important carbon compounds. One is ethanol, other one is ethanoic acid. Ethanol is prepared by addition of water vapor to ethene in the presence of catalysts like tungsten oxide P2O5 by supplying 100 to 300 atmosphere of pressure and 300 degrees centigrade temperature. You get ethanol. This is also called as grain alcohol because it is obtained from grains like corn, wheat, barley. Cooking grain plus sprouted barley, it gives rise to glucose. If you add yeast and enzymes to glucose, it will give you ethanol plus carbon dioxide. It is a colorless liquid. It has got sweet odor. Boiling point is 78.3 degrees centigrade. Pure ethanol is called 100% alcohol. You have something called as denatured alcohol. Denatured alcohol means to ethanol if you add methanol, methyl isobutyl ketone, aviation gasoline, it is called denatured alcohol. 200 ml of it is fatal to adults. 10% of ethanol in gasoline is motor fuel, that is if you have 10 ml in 90 ml. Let us say 10 ml of ethanol and 90 ml of gasoline, it makes a good fuel, good motor fuel. Then ethanol is also called as alcohol. It is a good solvent. It is used in medicines like tincture, for example tincture iodine, cough syrups and many tonics. Let us discuss some chemical properties of ethanol. The chemical properties of ethanol, nothing but ethanol reacts with sodium to give sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas. Now ethanol, this is similar to water molecule where in place of C2H, in place of H you have C2H5. In case of H2O is water molecule, in place of 1H if you have C2H5, that is ethanol. Now ethanol reacts with metallic sodium to give sodium ethoxide plus you have hydrogen gas. Ethanol at 170 degrees centigrade, it reacts with sulfuric acid to give back ethene and water. This reaction is called dehydration reaction because here the water molecule is removed from ethanol. That's about the chemical properties of ethanol. The next carbon compound that we are discussing is ethanoic acid. The formula of ethanoic acid is CH3COOH. It is also called acetic acid. It is colorless, odor is unpleasant, that is it unpleasant to smell. It is more acidic than H2O or ethanol and less acidic than mineral acids. 5 to 8% solution of CH3COOH is called vinegar. It is used as preservatives in pickles, not medicines. It is used as preservatives in pickles. The chemical reactions that acetic acid undergoes is, whenever acetic acid reacts with sodium, it forms sodium acetate plus hydrogen gas. Whenever it reacts with bases like NaOH, it gives sodium acetate plus water. Acetic acid reacts with weak bases like Na2CO3 and NaHCO3 to give rise to sodium acetate, water and CO2. That is about the chemical reactions of acetic acid.